This video is going to show you how to solve, graph, and write in interval notation an and compound inequality. You'll notice that this looks very different than the other inequalities we've been working with. There are two inequality signs, but that's okay. If I cover this up, you'll notice that looks just like the things we've been solving already. Same if I cover this side up, it's just a regular inequality. So basically what we've done here is kind of smooshed two of them together. Let's draw our lines so we can clearly see all of our parts. You know the rule that if I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. Well, this piece has three sides. So if I do it here, I have to do it here and here. My goal is to get the x by itself, so we're going to start working in the middle and move things away from the x. So our first step is to add a 4. If I add it there, I must add it here as well as here. Negative 16 plus 4 is a negative 12. My negative 4 and positive 4 become a 0, leaving me with a 3x. And 2 plus 4 is 6. My x is still not by itself, my 3 is in the way. So I need to divide by 3. And again, if I divide by 3 there, I need to do it here as well as here. Negative 12 divided by 3 is a negative 4. My 3's cancel to become a 1, leaving me with an x. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Did I divide by a negative here? No, I didn't. So these stay the same. All right, my next step is to get this put on a number line. You will notice if I could cut this piece of paper out and set it right on top of my number line, it would line up with all my pieces where they go. So negative 4 is over here on the left, so he's going to sit on the left-hand side of my number line. 2 is over here on the right, so 2 is going to sit on the right of my number line. This is my solution, my x's, my unknowns, and if you notice, they're all here in the middle. So let's get our circles on the graph. My circle goes on the negative 4. It can equal a negative 4, so we shade this in. I'm going to leave that for a minute and come over to the 2. My circle is on the 2. It is not equal to 2, so that circle stays open. And again, my x's, my answers are all in the middle between the negative 4 and the 2. So my answers are all in the middle. I'm going to shade in the middle. So and problems look like a barbell a little bit. And our final step is to write it in interval notation, and these are the easiest ones to write. My negative 4 is on the left. My 2 is on the right. My negative 4 is shaded in this inequality, so he gets a bracket. The 2 is not shaded, so the 2 has a parenthesis.